Welcome back to Mom and Me. Today's story name is The Turtle Who Wanted to Be Fast. Shelby the turtle was a very slow turtle. He loved his little shell, but he wished he could be fast. One day he saw Hopper the rabbit zoom by. "I want to go zoom too," said Shelby. So Shelby climbed to the top of a big grassy hill. "This will make me fast," he said. He tucked his head into his shell and rolled and rolled and rolled. "Zoom, zoom," he cried. He tumbled and wobbled and rolled into a pile of soft, crunchy leaves. "Giggle, giggle," he laughed. Rolling was fun, but it wasn't very fast. Next, Shelby found two smooth, shiny stones. "These will be my skates," he said. He put the stones under his feet and tried to slide. He wanted to be a fast skater. "Whoopsie daisy," he cried as his feet slipped. He slid and spun around. He was still a slow skater, but he was very silly spinner. Wee, he giggled. He saw a little frog hopping by. Hop, hop, went the frog. "I can be a fast hopper," said Shelby. He tried to hop, but his legs were too short. Hop, hop, he tried again, but he only wiggled. Then Shelby saw his friend Glimmer the snail. "Glimmer, can you help me be fast?" he asked. He climbed onto Glimmer's shell. "Let's go, go, go!" But Glimmer was a very slow snail. Just then, Hopper the rabbit zoomed past again. "Bye, Shelby," he called. Shelby looked down and saw he was still in the same spot. He wasn't fast at all. A little tear rolled down his cheek. "Why are you sad, Shelby?" asked Glimmer. Shelby looked around. He saw a beautiful blue butterfly on a big red flower. He saw a ladybug crawling on a leaf. He had been so busy trying to be fast, he didn't notice all the pretty things. Shelby smiled a big, happy giggle smile. "I don't need to be fast," he said. "Being slow lets me see all the beautiful things." He gave Glimmer a hug. Everyone has their own special pace, and that makes the world beautiful. Wow, wasn't that an amazing story, kids?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, so see you next time. Thanks for listening with us.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, friends.